This is a brand new 2014 Ford Escape. It has a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include heated seats, 10 perfectly positioned speakers, satellite radio, an intercooled turbocharger, big 18-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a passenger side vanity mirror, side impact airbags, a split folding rear seat, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, a rear window defroster, front and rear reading lights, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.